Alright, so my cost per conversion for musicchest.com is rising quite a bit, so let me go ahead and optimize it. So go to products. I'm going to open up a new tab. This is what I like to do. I like to have one tab with products and one tab with the product group. So I'll be able to look at the CPC results of the products and go over to the product group to edit the bid. So this one will be product group. Alright, so now the product's coming up. Damn, so car lead, cost of conversion's up to $20, which is hella expensive. Okay, so if I want the cost per conversion to be halved and the average CPC is 79 cents, I need the CPC to be half that, so at 40 cents, in order to make it recover. So car lead, I'm bringing it down to 40 cents. Cocoa, it's slowly creeping up, which is not too good. So the fact that it's creeping up, I want to keep it at $10, so I'm going to put the max CPC at 30 cents. Keep it at the same. Ed Sheeran doing perfect, leave it as is. If the CPC was at like 35, 36, then I actually increase this max CPC to give it leeway. Little Mermaid doing perfect. Sailor Moon spent nearly $30, zero sales. So I need the CPC to be like 1/3 if I want $10 cost per purchases. So 90 divided by 3, I'm looking at 30 cents, 28 cents. So let's do that, 28 cents. Sailor Moon, where are you? Here you are, 28 cents. Zelda, I want this halved as well. So 75, divide that by 2, you're looking at like 35 to 40. Let's bring it down to 35 to be safe. And this on Zelda, edit, 35. Simpsons spent $23, so I'm looking, so $23 is like the break-even point. We have a bit more break leeway than that, but I'd like to, in case of returns, shipping, refunds, everything, I like to keep at 20. This is in Australian dollars, so that even gives us more leeway. I want a cost per conversion of $10 I want to steal on my purchases, so this needs to be halved. I want to be only spending $20 to get a purchase, not 23. The average CPC is 85, so already at 35 cents, it's not really helping, so I might have to bring it down to 30 cents. This is it, 30 cents. Camila Cabello spent $22. Also Moana spent 22, so these both need to be half. So this is going to go down to 30. I'm going to decrease both down to 30. Moana should be on top. Moana might even go down to 28. This one I'm going to go down to 30. Now Game of Thrones too. Game of Thrones is nice, so I'll leave it as is. I think the max CPC is at 75 cents. If I increase any further, the cost per conversion would jump up. So I want to keep at 35 where it bottlenecks it, and it only gets me purchases at $10. Frozen spent 20, so I did already half it. So that should be fine. Jack Sparrow, $18 per conversion. If I want that less, I need to go down to like maybe 40. Let's bring it down to 40. Let's bring Jack Sparrow down to 40 cents. Don't want to push it down too much since it still has $2, $1 margin, actually $1 left before I really want to neck it down. Babe Rexha, meant to be, spent $5, so that's fine. Let it go. Should I keep it at 35? No. I might have to bring it down even further. Bring it down to 30. And that's it. I went ahead and that's how optimize. You want to look at your cost per conversion, your average CPC, your maximum CPC, and sort of rewatch the video, pause and play, and try to understand why I did each one of these moves and what I said. I was thinking aloud. So try to rewatch this video many times and sort of try to break down and understand the reasoning behind my moves. Other than that, hope you guys find value. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, DM me, anything. Peace. I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, yeah.